Preparation and staining of peripheral smear. A peripheral blood smear is a film of blood smear on the slide. The source of blood is from the periphery of the body, usually capillary blood obtained by finger prick. The apparatus required are clean glass slides, Leishman stain, distilled water, liquid paraffin, rec, microscope, spirit swab and a lancet. Take clean glass slides on a table as smear slide. Take another glass slide and check out its edges. The edges should be smooth. Take it as spreader slide. After taking aseptic precautions, prick the finger and place a drop of blood on one end of the smear slide. Spread the blood drop with the help of the spreader slide and prepare a smear. The smear is made by placing the spreader slide in front of the blood drop and pushing it back towards the blood drop. Allow the blood to spread at the edge of the spreader slide. The angle between the spreader slide and the smear slide should be kept at 45 degrees and the blood is then pushed forward. The angle of 45 degrees is maintained throughout the movement. Allow the smear to dry. An ideal smear should be uniform, tongue-shaped with feathery edges, covering 2/3 of the slide, having no vacuoles or serrations. Place the smear on the rack on a sink. Pour the Leishman stain over the smear. Keep it for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, add distilled water, double the amount of Leishman stain and keep it for 8 minutes. Mix the Leishman stain and distilled water by gently blowing air over the surface. After 8 minutes, pour the mixture off the slide. Wash the slide by pouring the water over the thumb and allowing the stream of water to run over the slide. Dry the smear. Observe it under the microscope under oil immersion lens. Observe the blood cells. The red blood cells, platelets, neutrophil, eosinophil, basophil, small lymphocyte, large lymphocyte and monocyte.